Morning all of you. How are you all? Okay, we all are hoping that you all are very fine and doing study at homes and not spending much of your time in front of mobile screen as well as TV screen. Okay, so we will start the chapter number 2, food, once again. Okay, see, we already have done this part of the book, page number 11 and page number 12. Entire explanation of this chapter we have done in our previous lectures. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the meal timing and smart eating habits and the how food reaches us. So today we will cover all these three paragraphs. Okay, so once again I will mention your class and subject EVS. Now I am writing chapter 2, food. Yes. So yes, once again I will repeat all the things so you will get the continuity of the lectures. See dear students, this all lectures we are recording all these lectures, so sometimes you can miss the connectivity of the lectures. That's why we teachers are repeating the things again and again so you can learn nicely. Okay, yes, so once again the whole summary of the chapter. Okay, chapter number 2, food. Chapter number 2, food. Before starting this, my request to you all, whenever you will watch the videos, please keep the EVS book with you and the pencil. Okay, take EVS book with you and the pencil. So whatever I will tell to do the underline, you can underline that time. Okay, yes, so once again I am going to revise whole summary of the chapter. This is chapter number 2, food. Okay, in this chapter you will going to learn about different kinds of food. First one, you will learn all about the foods, but different kinds of food. See dear students, when you was in class 1, that time you also had this chapter, food, but in that chapter you learnt only about the vegetarian pupil, non-vegetarian, only these two category you learnt. Okay, but here this chapter is little bit give you more information about the food. So first you will learn different kinds of food, then you will learn importance of a balanced diet, then the third part of the chapter is good eating habits. Okay, so these 3 things you will learn in this chapter. Yes, so I will ask some questions to you first. See, when we will eat food or why we are eating food. See dear students, you are not in the classroom, so on behalf of you I am giving the answers. Okay, so when we will feel hungry, then we will eat food. Okay, and food gives us what? Question number 2, food gives us what? So food gives us energy. Food gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. Yes, dear students, food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, and one more thing, it helps us to grow our body. It helps us to grow our body. When we will eat, or when you will eat healthy food, then definitely you will get a healthy, fit and good athlete body. Okay, whenever you will see the Tiger Shroff, okay, Tiger Shroff has a good athlete body, na? If you want to the same kind of the body, then you have to eat always healthy food and you have to do regular exercise. So you will get that type of body, fit, healthy and athlete. Okay, athlete body means whenever we will get hurt, अगर हमें चोट लग जाए तो वो चोट इनिशिएट भर जाती है, जल्दी से ठीक हो जाती है. सो जो एथलीट्स होते हैं, प्लेयर्स होते हैं, they are having the athlete kind of body. They will definitely, if we will play, then definitely we will get injured. But our injury should be filled within few times. Okay, it means we are having the athlete body. So yes, in this category, in the category of food, we learnt about 3 kinds of food in our previous lecture. First one is energy giving food. First one is energy giving food. Energy giving food means the food which we from we are getting the energy. Okay, कहाँ से मिलेगी ताकत, कैसे मिलेगी ताकत, ऐसे कौन सा फूड हम खाएंगे, then we will get the energy. So the rich source of the energy is that rice, potato, butter and grains. Okay, this is the source of the bodybuilding food. And then we talked about the first we talk about the energy giving food, then number 2 is bodybuilding food. Okay, in this category we can have milk, eggs, fish and grains. Okay, and number 3 is protective food. Protective food means the food protect our body from the diseases. Okay, if we will eat these types of food, then definitely we will not fall sick. Yes, in this category we can eat all types of vegetables, we can eat all types of fruits, and all these fruits and vegetables protect our body from the diseases. So we learnt in different kinds of food. There are 3 categories. First one is energy giving food, second one is bodybuilding food, and third one is protective food. Okay, now I am going to turn the page. And I will take out the page number 12, and we are going to learn about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Okay, balanced diet means what? We call balance in Hindi संतुलन. Okay, संतुलन means एक न कम न ज़्यादा. Okay, कौन सी चीज़ हमें किस लेवल पर कितनी क्वांटिटी में खानी है, that is the balanced diet. Okay, now I am going to read line number 1 for you, and you will, when you will watch this video, you can read with me also. Okay, yes, a balanced diet. We should eat a little bit of each type of food at different times of the day. It makes a balanced diet. It makes a balanced diet, and a balanced diet keeps us healthy. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. See dear students, here are the picture of the balanced diet. Okay, this is the proper balanced diet. We have to follow the balanced diet so we can get good, healthy and fit body. Okay, if we want the good figure or good physics of the body, so we have to follow all these diets in our daily routine. Okay, number 1, milk, butter, fruits, all type of fruits and vegetables, then salad, fish, eggs, bread and jam. Okay, yes, now we will read this line number 3. Okay, water and salad. Water and salad are also important part of our diet. Yes, it is very much correct. Water plays a very much important role in our diet. But your drinking water should be clean and pure. Your drinking water should be clean and pure. Yes, we have to drink at least 8 glasses of the water in a day, or we can drink more than 8 glasses in a day. See, when we will drink lots of water, it helps us to digest the food. It helps us to digest the food. Whatever we are eating, food will digest by the help of water. Okay, and all the waste material going out from the water. If we will not drink more water, then our food will not digest properly. So always drink neat, clean and pure water. Okay, now then salad. Yes, definitely salad is the most important part of the proper balanced diet. Salad is the most important part of the balanced diet, and always try to have the mixture salad. Try to take all types of vegetables, like we can use tomato, we can use beetroot, onion, cucumber and we can use cabbage also. Okay, so and you can use the sprouts also. Then you can make the mixture of the salad, and this salad is a very proper and perfect for your body. So always try to eat salad. When you was coming to the school, that time in the mess, some students are not taking an interest to eating the salads, but salad is the proper perfect diet for you. So always try to have salad. Okay, then meal timing. Yes, always try to fix the meal timing. Usually we are taking 3 meals in a day. First one is breakfast, second one is lunch and third one is dinner. Okay, breakfast is the first meal of the day and we have it in the morning. Yes, and we should have a good breakfast. We should have a good breakfast. Then the lunch time. Lunch is the second meal of the day and we have it in the afternoon. Yes, and we should take little light lunch rather than the breakfast. Breakfast we can have it heavy, बहुत थोड़ा ज़्यादा और heavy खा सकते हैं, but always take lunch light. And number 3 is dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. Dinner is the last meal of the day. Last meal of the day, it means दिन का आखिरी खाना या दिन का आखिरी भोजन. Okay, that is called dinner. We have it at night and we should always have it light at night. कभी भी बहुत हैवी खाना जो है वो रात में नहीं खाना चाहिए. Always avoid to have the heavy dinner. Okay. Then we learnt about the where does food comes from. खाना हमें कहाँ से और कैसे मिलता है. So we get food from both the things. We get food from both the things. First one is plants and second one is animals. We are getting food from both the things. First one is plant. Yes, and second one is animals. And second one is animals. We are getting our food from both the things. And in this category we are getting all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, grains, nuts and oil from the plant. Okay, once again I will repeat the things. We are getting all type of food from the plant. In this category we are getting all types of vegetables, we are getting all types of fruits, we are getting nuts, oil from the grains from the plants only. And animal gives us milk, egg, meat, honey and fish. Okay, so we are getting food from the animals. People those who are non-vegetarian, they are getting their food from the animals. Okay, but people those who are vegetarian, they are also using. Okay, see, we all are using the milk and the milk product, which we are getting from the animals only, है ना. तो we get milk, meat, honey, fish from the animals. When you will go in class 3, then you will learn more about these two things. And then the smart eating habit. Okay, in this category there are few points. And we have to follow these all points. And this is the smart eating habits. खाने की जितनी भी अच्छी आदतें हैं, all are mentioned over here in the book. Okay, so we have to follow all these things in our daily life. First one, wash your hands before and after every meal. Yes, it is very much correct. We have to wash our hands before and after every meal. But nowadays, because of coronavirus, we all are washing our hands within 1 hour. Okay, so always wash your hands before and after every meal. And number 2, don't waste food. Okay, and number 3, eat slowly and chew the food well. Whenever you are eating something, try to chew the food well and eat slowly. Okay, eat meal at the right time. Try to fix the time of your meals. Fix the time of tell to your mama, please make fixed time. Please give me the fixed time, my breakfast, my lunch and dinner. Okay, do not waste food. Take only much you can finish. जितना खाना आप खा सकते हैं, you have to take only as much as you can finish it. जितना finish कर सकते हैं उतना ही लेना है. Then drink plenty of water throughout the day. Plenty means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी पीना है. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. See this line mentioned here again and again in this chapter number 2 as well as chapter number 1 also, because water plays a very important role in our human body's life. So we always have plenty of water in a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Here is written brush your teeth twice a day, but try to brush at least all after all the meals. Okay, then we will talk about the how food reaches us. How food reaches us. खाना हम तक कैसे पहुंचता है. How we are getting food. So here see picture number 1. Picture number 1. What you can see a farmer is growing the crops. Okay, and number 1, farmer grow crop in the field. When the crops are ripe, then are cut. Yes. So first one, when you are eating the food, then think from where you are getting all these food. कैसे और कहाँ से मिलता है. Then सबसे पहले जो farmers होते हैं, they are doing the lots of hard work in their fields. वो खेतों में बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, वो crops grow करते हैं, then उसके बाद crops को cut करते हैं, then फिर जो grains होता है, जो अनाज होता है, they will fill their grains in the sack. Sack means बोरे. जो बोरे होते हैं उनमें वो भरते हैं. Then the third one is, and then shopkeeper buy all the grains from the farmers. जितनी भी चीज़ें होती हैं वो सारी चीज़ें shopkeeper farmer से खरीद लेता है. Okay, then your mama or your papa will go to shopkeeper and they will buy the foods and they will pay the money to the shopkeeper. Okay, shopkeeper paid the money to farmer, and when your mama and papa will go to buy all these things for you, then they will pay money to the shopkeeper. Then your mama will cook this food at home for you. Okay, so you will get the food by this long process. इतनी लंबी प्रोसेस होने के बाद तब जाकर आपको घर में खाना मिलता है. See, once again I will repeat this process in front of the camera. Okay, first see this picture. In this picture, farmer is growing the crops. When the crops are ready, then farmer will cut the crops. Okay, then they will bring it at home and they will clean the crops. Okay, and then they will fill the crops in the sacks. Then the sacks are be taken to the market, and वो उसके बाद उसको दुकान पर मार्केट में सेल करने के लिए लेकर जाते हैं. Then the shopkeeper buys all the item from the farmers, and then when your mama or papa will go market and buy all these things, then the last picture tells you too that mama is preparing food for you. So this is the entire process of the food, and by this entire process of the food we are getting food at home. Okay, so try to take much of food as much as you can finish. खाना आपको उतना ही लेना है जितना आप finish कर सकते हैं. Don't waste the food. Okay, so this is your chapter number 2. Here I am going to finish the chapter number 2. we will write some new words of this chapter. We will write some new words of this chapter. Okay, when you will watch this videos, please write all these words in your notebook. New words. Okay, in this first one you will write energy, then wagons, then set, then salad, then brains, plenty, balanced diet, protective food. Okay, so all these are your new words of the chapter. These all are the new words of the chapter. Whenever you will watch these videos, please write all these words in your notebook. Okay, yes, I am giving you time to write all these words in your notebook. Here we are finishing the chapter number 2, food. In this chapter we learnt about the different kinds of food, importance of a balanced diet and good eating manners. When we will feel hungry, we always eat food. Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, and when we will eat healthy food, then we will get a good healthy body. Yes, so chapter number 2 is finished. When you will watch this video, write all these new words of the chapter and note in your EVS notebook very properly. First you have to write the heading of the chapter, write the chapter number, then the heading, then the name of the chapter, then the heading, new words. Okay, then write all the words very properly with good handwriting. So this is enough from my side. Now I am hoping that you all are maintaining your EVS notebook nicely. I will send you the picture also of this new words in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So bye bye and keep studying. Stay home, stay safe. Or when you want to go out, wear mask. Okay, cover your nose and mouth very properly. Wash your hands regularly. Bye bye.